Okay, so we're starting off with our bowl, and then we have some cut up green apples, and you want green apples, right, for some taste, for sweetness. And then we're going to peel and mash 2 bananas. So here's 1 banana, okay, and you can mash it with a fork. And then we're gonna combine the bananas with the apple. So now that we've put together the apples and bananas, we're gonna include all of our other ingredients. So first we have some milk, put that in. Then we have some flour. Next we have some rolled oats. And then we have a little bit of baking powder and a little bit of salt. And then we have some olive oil, which is actually kind of interesting to have in a baking, but it's healthy and vegan. And then we have some maple syrup for sweetness. So now once all of those are combined, we are going to mix it up with a wooden spoon. All right, so now at this point you can put them into your muffin liners, but we are actually going to put them into a bread pan. Okay, so this is what we have. We just put all the batter into the bread. Now we're gonna put it into the oven at 390 degrees. Alrighty, so our bread is in the oven and it's baking for around 15 minutes. So while that is cooking, we are gonna start with our French toast sticks. Okay, so I love French toast. I don't know about you. I'm really excited about this. Brunch person. But French toast is very high in calories. It's not very good for you. Right. So we're making a little bit healthier French toast. Usually you use like a sourdough or like a thick bread, but we are just going to be using some whole wheat. This is pretty thick, but it's whole wheat, multi-grain. So we're gonna cut this into 4. We're gonna cut each of the 3 into slices so that they're little French toast sticks. Perfect. I did 3 pieces of bread since there are 3 of us. Cute. While this is going on, we're gonna put the butter onto our pan. All right, so we're gonna put these aside and we're gonna mix together our other ingredients. So we're gonna put together 3 large eggs. Alright, so now the eggs are cracked and we're gonna add in ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, okay, for a little bit of taste. Okay, so now we are whisking the cinnamon and the egg together in the bowl. Okay, so now we're taking our breadsticks and we are dunking it into the egg and the cinnamon and then putting it right on the pans. So it says for each French toast stick to cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then you flip it over and then it's supposed to get golden brown, and when it gets like that, then you know that it's working.